Ever thought about having a YouTube channel without showing your face? It's a thing, and it's booming. Faceless channels are all about sharing awesome content without the pressure of being on camera. Think about it. You get to share your passions, knowledge, and creativity with the world, all while staying anonymous. No need for fancy cameras, makeup, or worrying about how you look. It's all about the content, baby. Whether you're into gaming, finance, travel, or anything in between, there's a place for you on YouTube, face or no face. So if you've been hesitant to start a channel because of the camera, this one's for you. Let's dive in. Worried about making videos without showing your face? Don't be. AI is here to help. AI tools can help you create amazing videos even if you're camera shy. Imagine turning your blog posts into engaging videos with AI-powered text-to-speech software. Want to add some cool visuals? No problem. AI can generate images and animations that perfectly match your script. You can even create stunning presentations with AI-powered design tools. It's like having a whole production team at your fingertips. With AI, the possibilities are endless. So ditch the camera fear and let technology help you create content that rocks. Choosing the right niche is key to YouTube's success. It's all about finding your passion and sharing it with the world. What are you genuinely interested in? What do you know a lot about? Maybe you're a whiz at coding, a history buff, or a master chef. Think about your skills and hobbies. Could you teach others something you're good at? Could you entertain people with your unique perspective? Research popular niches, but don't be afraid to explore something unique. The key is to choose something you're passionate about and can consistently create content for. Remember, your enthusiasm will shine through, keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. Going faceless on YouTube comes with a bunch of perks. Let's break it down. First off, privacy. You get to share your thoughts and ideas without revealing your identity. This is perfect for introverts or anyone who values their privacy. Second, no camera pressure. You can focus on creating great content without worrying about how you look or sound on camera. Third, creative freedom. You're not limited by your physical appearance. You can be anyone or anything you want. Experiment with different styles and formats without any restrictions. Lastly, it's all about the content. When you're not the focus, your content takes center stage. This pushes you to be more creative and deliver real value to your viewers. So embrace the freedom of facelessness and let your content speak for itself. Section 5. Proof is in the pudding. Super successful faceless YouTube channels. Don't just take our word for it. Check out these awesome faceless channels killing it on YouTube. Brightside. Ever wondered about the science behind everyday things? Brightside dishes out fascinating facts and explanations with engaging animations. Chill hop music. This channel provides the perfect chill hop beats for studying, relaxing, or just vibing. No face, just good music. TED Ed. Want to learn something new every day? TED Ed creates animated educational videos on a wide range of topics. These channels prove that you don't need to show your face to gain millions of subscribers. It's all about delivering high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Section 6. Ready, set, go. Time to launch your own faceless empire. Starting your own faceless YouTube channel is easier than you think. You don't need fancy equipment or years of experience, just start with what you have. Your phone is a powerful tool for recording voiceovers and even animations. Plenty of free video editing software can help you put it all together. Remember, consistency is key. Create a schedule and stick to it. Your audience will appreciate a regular flow of fresh content. Most importantly, have fun. Your passion will shine through and attract a loyal following. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your creativity and share your unique voice with the world. Section 7. Content is king, keeping your audience hooked. You've launched your channel, now what? It's all about keeping your audience engaged with awesome content. Think about what your target audience wants to see. What problems can you solve? What value can you provide? Experiment with different video formats, tutorials, reviews, vlogs, without the face, of course. Animations, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to ask your viewers for feedback. What do they want to see more of? What can you improve? Remember, engagement is key. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community around your channel. Section 8. Building your tribe, growing your faceless channel. Growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it's totally achievable. Here are a few tips to boost your visibility. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps people find your content when they're searching on YouTube. Promote on social media. Share your videos on other platforms where your target audience hangs out. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other YouTubers in your niche can introduce your channel to a wider audience. Remember, building a community takes time. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of belonging. Be patient, consistent, and passionate about your content, and you'll be well on your way to YouTube success. Section 9. The future is faceless. Embrace the revolution. The world is changing, and so is content creation. Faceless YouTube channels are on the rise, offering a unique and accessible way to connect with the world. No longer limited by physical appearance or camera shyness, anyone with a passion and a story to tell can build a successful YouTube channel. AI is your creative partner, empowering you to create professional quality videos without ever showing your face. So, embrace the faceless revolution. Unleash your creativity, share your knowledge, and connect with a global audience. Your voice matters, and the world is waiting to hear it. Start your faceless YouTube journey today